2001 Ford F-150 4.6 liter V8 Triton. Still got factory converters, got 4 of them on this truck. That's how they come from the factory. Then it's widened to a single. Then what we did is a FLOWMASTER 40 series and 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there and right there. And then 3.5 inch angle cut tips there and there. There's the FLOWMASTER 40 series. That's how you duel them out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 1998 Ford F-150 4.6 liter Triton. Really nice blue color, nice truck. These Fords come with 4 converters, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Then it winds into a single right there. Then what we put on it is a HP2 FLOWMASTER, single in, dual out. We put a Y pipe on it for him, and we dualed it out the back. He's old school. He doesn't want tips, which I don't blame him. Everybody's different. There's the HP2. The part number on it is Super HP2 124-12409. 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4 out. We expanded it to 2.5 for him. There's a Y pipe, and there'll be a link in the description for it. And there's the regular pipes right there. Out the back, no tips. And like always, guys, if you like the sound, let us know. Comment, subscribe, and like our videos, please. Keep us going. There's the muffler we cut off of it. It didn't have anything else on it. FLOWMASTER 40 series never disappoints. Got a really nice deep tone. Again, let you guys hear on the.
Oh yeah, that's the sound you want.
That's what you wanted? Not too much, just a little bit. It's a FLOWMASTER HP2. It's a performance muffler. They always sound really good. They give a really mellow tone with keeps the performance. Here's the sound decibels. Right at 89. Go ahead and back it up. FLOWMASTER HP2. There's idle. Just a really nice deep tone. Hey, this truck is for you. HP2. Let you guys hear on the inside. F-150 HP2. Yeah. Keys are on the counter. Let's see. Tim, let Alejandro drive it. He's got white interior. Let Alejandro bring it in.